been forever. Forever, ever, forever, ever. They done sung about the heroes making names for theyself, so it's time the unsung hero paved the way for theyself. Some people claim they say they made the bed they lay by theyself, and I just sit at home admiring and play with theyself. But do something, man, I swear I ain't the one to duke it with the devil on the track. You stupid bitch, I really do this shit for real. If you ain't cool with it, cool, but just get used to the fact I never decide to just wear the shoe that you choose to fit. I'm too big, I'm not your shoe size, and we know what that represents for ladies thinking about you guys. They spew lies, I chew guys up. I take the two eyes and point them right at me so they see the blue in my blue eyes. I flew by the back of the line simply cause I didn't need it. I school the suckers there who still read it, write and repeat it, then edit it and delete it and take a month to complete it, and Brangelina the beat simply cause they couldn't conceive it. And I do what you do in 9 months in a day, cause I create a whole new life. I grab the mic in a way, and then I grab the pen and pad and just start writing away. And I write in a way that dodges those who's right in the way. I look up in the mirror, staring myself right in the face, and see a kid with passion, not a kid who's white in the face. I'm VIP when they ID, they see a license is fake. I feel it coming tonight like Mike Tyson away. Hey,
you wanna walk and talk slick like you all players. We redefining the meaning of what you call players. You got the swag but you don't walk like a ball player. No matter where you go, you are what you are, player. You wanna walk and talk slick like you all players. We redefining the meaning of what you call players. You got the swag but you don't walk like a ball player. No matter where you go, you are what you are, player. Making magic in the booth, staying true with the angel dust, blowing y'all away, that's how we play, getting dangerous.